As with any tool or machine, maintenance is a must, and our automatic vacuum bleed pumps are no different. However, you'll be surprised by how little you'll have to do to keep them running in tip-top shape.
Start with switching off the machine and disconnecting the air supply and main cable. Then inspect the oil level of the vacuum pump. You can find the oil level gauge on the back of the machine. It should be between the low and high positions. In this case, it is overfilled, so we'll have to remove some oil. Unscrew the bolts holding the side door and take the door off. On top of the vacuum pump, you'll find the oil catcher connected to a second oil catcher and a reservoir. Remove the vacuum pump top cap and the oil catchers all together. You can go ahead and drain the oil from the reservoir. At the bottom of each oil catcher, you'll find a pin. If the oil catcher is more than 1/3 full of oil, press it to drain the oil. Since our vacuum pump is overfilled, we're removing part of the oil through a tube and a syringe, but you can also access the drain bolt on the vacuum pump by taking the pump out of the machine. Reassemble everything back together and fasten the door back in its place.
Not much to it, and you're back in business to bleed another hundreds of shocks at your workshop. Thank you for watching.